Stop renting in 2022. Own this spacious 2-bedroom condo for under $225,000. Open floor plan beings in the large, front-to-back living room with slider bathing the space in natural light. Seamlessly move into the dining and galley-style kitchen with maple cabinetry and ample counter space. 2 bedrooms, the master featuring a double closet. Lovely, modern bathroom offers gray granite and white accents. Freshly painted, gorgeous flowing, deeded parking. Private patio area look out into wooded scenery is wonderful for enjoying coffee on a Sunday morning. Closely located to Route 28, 18, and 104, Legions Field, Bridgewater State University, and so much more. You will not find another home this meticulously maintained in such an amazing location. Schedule your showing now.